Welcome aboard this beautiful 2007 Beneteau 49, available now at Little Yacht Sales in Kemah, Texas. The Beneteau 49 is a well-regarded model in the sailing world, known for combining performance, comfort, and practicality. Introduced in 2007, this 49-foot yacht is part of the Beneteau's Oceanus series, which is aiming to provide a perfect balance between elegance and functionality. The Beneteau 49 features a modern hull with thin keel and bulb, paired with a spade rudder for responsive steering and control. Its fractional sloop rig offers flexibility in sail management and good upwind performance. The large beam contributes to the vessel's stability and spaciousness. The sleek design includes well-proportioned lines and a low-profile deck, maximizing interior space without sacrificing the boat's clean, elegant look. As we step aboard, we enter the spacious cockpit, designed for both comfort and functionality. Here you will find a comfortable seating area with a large table that opens up, providing plenty of room for dining and guests. The cockpit is equipped with a bimini for protection against the elements. This Beneteau is a single-owner vessel purchased new in 2009. The cruiser has been meticulously maintained and is ready for extended offshore or coastal sailing. The vessel features a spacious two-cabin, two-head layout ideal for families or crew. Moving over to the starboard helm, you'll see the bow thruster control and autopilot controls, with the Yacht engine controls and gauges nearby. On the port helm, we have two additional instruments. In the center of the cockpit, mounted at the aft end of the table, is a large chart plotter. In front of the helms are electric winches that the jib sheets lead back to, making sail handling a breeze. The cockpit design offers an excellent 360-degree view. All the control lines lead back to electric winches on the cabin top. From here, we head to the bow on the wide side decks, making it easy to move forward. The bow has ample room for accessing the anchor, anchor windlass, and anchor locker. The yacht is equipped with a vertical windlass with a capstan. Just aft of the windlass is a bow sail locker, providing additional storage space. Looking aft, we have the high aspect mast with in-mast furling, which makes handling the mainsail easy in a wide range of conditions. This yacht is designed for easy, short-handed sailing with in-mast furling main and furling head sail, autopilot, and electric winches. Now let's go below into the saloon. The saloon is bathed in warm natural light thanks to numerous portholes and deck hatches, creating a bright and airy ambiance. This spacious and well-lit area features a U-shaped seating area with a table on the port side and a comfortable settee on the starboard side. The use of rich mahogany woodwork, elegant fixtures, and premium upholstery further enhances this yacht's sophisticated aesthetics. Just aft of the settee is the navigation station and chart table, along with the electrical breaker panel. To the port side, we move to the galley, which features a wide range of storage options, plenty of counter space, a double stainless steel sink, a 3-burner stove and oven, microwave, and a refrigerator and freezer. The galley is conveniently located near the cockpit for handing up meals and drinks, and the saloon table for a sit-down dinner. Next, we move forward to the large forward cabin with a walk-around bed. There are plenty of ports and hatches in this space for excellent lighting and ventilation. This space is equipped with a private head that includes a unique cylinder-shaped plexiglass shower, a sink, and a toilet. Moving aft, we enter the aft head, which includes a sink, toilet, and shower with a plexiglass shower door. From here we move to the aft cabin, a large and spacious area that includes a large bed, plenty of standing room, and lots of storage options along with access to the head. Accessing the engine space is easy under the companionway steps, where you'll find the Yanmar diesel engine. The engine is clean and has been well maintained. The 2007 Beneteau 49 is a perfect blend of elegance, performance, and comfort. To book your appointment to view this 2007 Beneteau 49, contact Little Yacht Sales.